Welcome to the Error Slayer YouTube channel. This tutorial video shows you how to adjust image size in GIMP. First, make sure the layer containing the image you want to resize is selected. Then, click the Image tab in the menu above and select Scale Image. First, I should mention that the chain symbol here ensures your image maintains its aspect ratio. The image I used as an example is 1920 x 1920 pixels, so the aspect ratio is 1:1. Because aspect ratio protection is enabled, if I set the width to 1000 pixels, the height will automatically be 1000 pixels as well. Additionally, if you prefer working with a different unit of measurement than pixels, you can select your desired unit here. Once you have adjusted everything as you wish, click the Scale button. I hope this step-by-step guide video was informative and helpful. If so, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel and like the video. Have a great day!